Okay, welcome back mga scalper. So, explain natin kung paano ba natin sinundot yung tatlong trades dito kay Avo. Yung una is 3%, second is 12% nung na-hit yung take profit natin, and recently, nakasundo tayo ng another 3% dito kay Avo. How to get a higher probability trade dahil karamihan sa mga trader is nahihirapan maghanap ng higher probability trade. So first, explain natin, tingnan natin sa daily time frame kung may kita natin after ng downtrend momentum ng Avo. Nagkaroon tayo ng volume, good sign na possible magkaroon tayo ng recovery phase. So kung may kita natin, nagkaroon tayo ng mga multiple higher low, mahina lang yung pag-akyat niya but still a good news for buyers na possible nagre-recover na to uptrend momentum. So, nung nakita natin sa 4 hours time frame, since this is a day trade, meron tayong low, higher low, and confirm natin na meron tayong higher low dito. So, after ng close ng candle na to, we decided to entry. And what happened? Why we decided to exit here? Since nagkaroon tayo ng lower high, sign of weakness, so we decided to exit na and i-re-enter yung position natin. Nakakupit lang tayo ng 3% here. And yung nangyari nga, another higher low, confirm na mga doji candle and nag-form to ng double bottom sa lower time frame. So we decided to take long position and nagset lang tayo ng take profit natin and nahit nga yung take profit natin. So nakakuha tayo ng 12% sa trade na to. Next is, this is how to get easily a higher probability trade. So after nyong makakita ng uptrend momentum, lagi nyong hihintayin is yung pullback. Dito kayo makakasundot and makakakuha ng higher probability trade. Pwede nyong bakatin from swing low to swing high. And pwede kayong tumingin kung meron bang sasalo sa lower time frame sa 0.5 or 618. So what happened nga dito? Merong sumalo sa 1 hour time frame sa 618 natin. So what happened? Nagkaroon tayo ng bullish engulfing pattern. Indication natin yan to take long position. Although medyo impatient yung entry, but still edge natin yan. So to take natin yung opportunity to take long position. And yung invalidation natin is below lang rin ng entry point natin, which is itong low na to. So what happened? Lumalim yung retracement nitong Avo, but hindi siya na-hit yung stop loss natin since this is low and nag-form to ng higher low. So meron na naman tayong bagong opportunity to take higher probability trade na mag-possible umakyat yung Avo, and currently umakyat nga yung Avo. So what happened? Bakit tayo naka-exit here? Kung may kita natin, nag-form na siya ng evening star and meron na tayong volume na nakita. So possible magkaroon tayo ng retracement. Kaya we decided to exit and nakakuha lang tayo ng 3% dito kay Avo.